Hello everyone, welcome to your tutorial for HopIn here at UNC Charlotte. HopIn is a virtual platform that allows us to engage and network in a variety of new and interesting ways. But to utilize HopIn, you will need to register with HopIn and create a free account, as well as make sure you edit your profile by uploading a photo and adding your LinkedIn information. Now, when you sign up for a Hopin event, things may be a little bit different as far as the schedule goes. But overall, what we're going to cover in this video is how you utilize Hopin and what are some of the features it allows. So this is our test event. So after I've created my account and I've signed up for an event, then I'll be able to start exploring this event. So you'll be able to see the reception area, which is where we are currently at. Reception area is kind of your landing page when you first log in to Hopin for any event. It'll tell you how long the event has left. You can also see people who are currently in this event or who have been in this event. You can also see polls, so you can actually create a poll or ask a poll to be created. You can also have the chat feature. This is the chat feature for everyone who's currently in the entire event. But as you'll see as we go through, there'll be other chat features. The next option is the stage. So the stage is where you'll be able to go and click and maybe hear about a key speaker or hear from a panel. You'll also be able to look specifically at the stage and the event overall, but you can toggle between these two to use the chat feature. So for example, if we click stage and then we just say, "Hi all," this is a great way for you to start talking with people who are specifically in the stage section. Now, once you're done with the stage section, you'll go over to, let's try out some sessions. So sessions are really going to change based on the way that Hopin is being utilized. But what you can do is you can go through, scroll through, see if there's any sessions that really intrigue you. You can tell who all has been in looking at it so far. So let's say that we go into this session. Now in this session, we'll likely see our friend Jenny, who's currently doing the help desk. So then we'll go back out of here. So the sessions will allow you to have a video where you'll be able to chat with everyone. You can actually go live on your video, and you can also do a lot of other things like sharing information and seeing people maybe want to connect offline. It's a great way for you to kind of get that going. Sessions will be divided up based on different topics. So just to keep a check on those topics. Now after sessions, we're going to go to networking. So we'll click networking. And in the networking section, what will happen is you will click ready. Now, when you click ready, it will ask you to allow your video and your audio to go through, and then it will randomly connect you with another person who is also ready to network. When that happens, you'll be able to talk for a set amount of time, and during that set amount of time, you can decide if you want to click connect. When you click that connect button, when you're talking with a person, it's going to share with them your Hopin profile. So it's usually going to be like your picture and your LinkedIn information. Now, the other person also needs to click connect in order for that information to be shared. So it has to be a mutual connection of you both clicking the connect button in order for that information to be shared. You can see all the people you've connected with by going to your home screen profile in your Hopin profile. So after we kind of look through all of this, next up we're going to go down here to booths, which is a little covered up by the chat icon, but you'll be able to see it plainly whenever you go into your Hopin account. So when we click booths, you'll see a variety of booths here based on the different events. For some of the times, the booths will be used for information purposes. And there will be sometimes people in there talking live that you can chat with. Sometimes there'll be a recording of a video, and then you can also click a button that will allow you to connect with them, sharing your information with them so they can reach out to you later. Sometimes it'll be used for networking. Sometimes it might be used for like a career fair type setup. Other times it might just be informational. So depending on the event, go in there and check out the booths and see what you think. So this is a brief overview of HopIn and how UNC Charlotte will be utilizing it this coming year. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and have fun hopping in.